Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs, and today is the giveaway drawing for the Remnants Lovely Layers printable mini album template for the background design that you guys voted on last month in last month's giveaway video. It's going to be a little different this time. There's going to be 2 winners and 2 new backgrounds because there's 5 backgrounds left, and so next month there's going to be 2 backgrounds released, and then that's going to be it. So there will be 1 background design that doesn't get released. And the reason for this is my new template will definitely be out sometime in September. So I don't want to have 2 of them going at the same time. So there'll be 2 new background releases this month and 2 winners, and then you'll have to vote in the comments below for the 2 background designs that you'd like to see released next time. And keep in mind that one of the backgrounds will not be released. The one of them that is left is not going to be released. So the background designs that will be released today are Old Paper. This one got the most votes, so Old Paper, and then Collage came in second. So both of these will be available in my Etsy shop. I'll have a link in the description box below. Also wanted to say really quickly, the video that was supposed to be posted today will be posted tomorrow. We're working on the Graphic 45 Fairy Dust mini album. So the next video will be released tomorrow, hopefully. Keep your fingers crossed. But anyway, so both of these will be available in my Etsy shop. And I have already put the, got the YouTube comment picker. Oh, no. Okay, so I already have the YouTube comment picker pulled up on my phone, and I've already put in the URL for the last giveaway video. And now all I have to do is hit start, and then it will pick a winner. Lisa's Happy Crafting. Oh, text please, thank you. Oh, well, you won't get text, but ooh, my phone is dirty. But Lisa, if you will contact me, there is an email address in the description box below that is only for giveaway winners. It is nothing for nothing else. I will not answer any other emails on that account. It's just for giveaway winners. So you have, whoops, where's my, I have a note somewhere. So you have until July 31st, 2018 to contact me through that email address in the description box, and you get to pick whether or not you want Old Paper or Collage. So let me write you down so I don't, whoops, where's my pencil? Where's my Posties? And then I'm going to, let's see, it says pick another winner. Okay, so I'm going to hit start again and see who comes up. Jennifer Daly, or yeah, Daly. I'm probably pronouncing that. Old Paper, please. So you got your win, you got your choice. All right, so you can contact me as well through that email in the description box below, and you have until July 31st, 2018 to claim your winnings. I'm assuming you're going to pick Old Paper, but you do have a choice of Old Paper or Collage. So congratulations to both Lisa and Jennifer. And then next, where's my thingy at? The next background giveaway drawing, those are the choices you have: polka dot, doily, and text. So there's going to be 2 of them released and 1 of them not. So you have, let's see, so the next drawing will be August 23rd, 2018. And again, there will be 2 winners, and it'll be the last giveaway drawing for the Remnants Lovely Layers. So you just pick 2 of your favorites and leave that in the comment section below. And then on August 23rd, I will do the drawing for that. Okay, so I also do have a coupon code for you guys. And it is, once again, Lovely20. It is 20% off of everything in my Etsy shop with a minimum purchase of $10. And it's good July 24th, 25th, and 26th. So I will probably put that coupon code in the description box below, so you should be able to hit that coupon code, and it'll take you to my Etsy shop, and then it'll automatically apply the 20% off if you have a $10 minimum purchase. So, okay, so don't forget to leave a comment with your vote. And don't forget to check out my Etsy shop and my 2 new backgrounds that are going to be in there, collage and O paper. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.